Using the order of operations. Sometimes we are confronted by equations that look somewhat complex, such as the one shown. 8 divided by 2, and then in parentheses, 2 plus 2 equals, well, what does that equal? In most languages, the meaning of the words depend on the order. Sign the check is certainly not the same as check the sign. Mathematics is a type of language, and it also has a specific order. For example, 3 plus 5 times 2. What do we do first? Add or multiply? If we add first, 3 plus 5 times 2, that gives us 8 times 2, or 16. If we multiply first, 3 plus 5 times 2 gives us 3 plus 10, which is 13. Which one is the correct answer? In order to make sure that every person gets the same answer to a math problem, mathematicians came up with a rule called the order of operations, and we assign that to an acronym called PEMDAS. So what is PEMDAS? It's an acronym that stands for first, parentheses and brackets, second, exponents, third is multiplication, then next comes division, whichever comes first from left to right in multiplication and division, and then comes addition, and then subtraction, and again, whichever comes first from left to right in addition and subtraction. Some instructors help their students remember the PEMDAS acronym using the phrase, "Please excuse my dear Aunt Sally." Whatever your method for remembering this important acronym isn't important. What is important is that you do. Using the order of operations, what do we do first in this example? 3 plus 5 times 2. Well, PEMDAS says we multiply first, so 5 times 2 is 10, and then we add. So 3 plus 10 equals 13. Therefore, 13 is the correct answer. To simplify an expression means to replace the expression with the simplest name for its value. For example, let's use PEMDAS to simplify 4 plus 15 divided by 3. PEMDAS says we would divide first. So 15 divided by 3 equals 5. Then we add. 4 plus 5 equals 9. Therefore, the correct answer to this example is 9. When operations have the same rank in the order of operations, do them from left to right. For instance, let's simplify 3 times 5 minus 8 divided by 4 plus 6. Well, according to PEMDAS, we would both do the multiplication and division first. So let's multiply then divide. Since those are in equal order, we go from left to right. Therefore, we would multiply 3 times 5, which equals 15, then divide 8 by 4, which is 2, and then add 6. So when we look at that simplified equation, PEMDAS says we add and subtract. Since again those are equal in order, we go from left to right. Therefore, we subtract 15 minus 2, which equals 13, and then add 6, which equals 19. Therefore, the answer for this equation is 19. Using grouping symbols. Grouping symbols, such as parentheses and brackets, come first in the order of operations. A fraction bar is also a grouping symbol, since 4 plus 2 in the numerator divided by 3 in the denominator equals the same as saying 4 plus 2 in parentheses divided by 3. Always work inside the grouping symbols first. In this example, let's simplify 10 divided by bracketed 9 minus parentheses 2 times 2. PEMDAS says that we calculate the number in the parentheses first, so we multiply 2 times 2, which is 4. Then we subtract the numbers in the brackets, which is 9 minus 4, which equals 5. Then we divide 10 by 5, and that gives us the answer, 2. That's it. It's simple when using PEMDAS.